morning, students. Myself UK Singh, science teacher at ISL Moniri Dhanbad. Today we will going to start a new chapter of class 7, that is light, chapter 15. So you all are familiar with the term light. What actually is a light? So whenever any source of light like the sunlight or light obtained from the bulbs, light emitting from the bulbs and any other source, so light is a sort of energy or a medium through which enables us to see objects. Okay, without light we will not unable to see any kind of object. That is, vision is mainly due to light. So a bit of it we have studied in the junior classes, that how we actually see an image. The light falls on the image and is reflected to our eyes. It enters our eyes and image is formed in our eyes, which is being perceived by the brain. So what actually is a light and what are the different properties of light, we will study in this chapter. First of all, we will study in 15.1 an important property of light, which is light travels along a straight line. Now as you can see in the figure, a boy holding a tube, okay, a hollow tube, and waving the candle flame. Now in the first figure or diagram you can see that light is visible to him, but in the second diagram, as he bent the tube, okay, will the light be visible to him? Certainly not. You can do this in your home also from any source of light. Okay, this is because the light always travels in a straight line. Okay, light always travels in a straight line. Okay, therefore a bending of the tube will block the vision. That means light is not traveling through the tube, because image is formed only when light strikes our eyes and image is in form. Okay, so the second important property of light is reflection of light. So what is reflection? Whenever the light falls off any surface, depending on the nature of the surface, it bounces off. It bounces out, and that means it falls on the image and it bounces off and moves to our eyes. Okay, this is known as reflection. So due to this reflection, image has been formed. Okay, whenever light strikes any surface, it bounces off, okay, and move to different directions depending upon the nature of the surface. This phenomenon is known as reflection of light. Now in activity 15.1, there is a small anecdote that is given. The picture represents a small anecdote, okay, which represent the story of Panchtantra about lion and the rabbit. Now what was let us quickly go through this. So what happened, there was a lion in a jungle who terrorized, or you can say who used to threaten all the animals. Okay, now one day the animals devised a ploy to teach lion a lesson, or to what you can say teach lion a lesson, and to get rid of the lion. Okay, because lion was a potential threat for them and for all the animals. So one day what happened, the rabbit, okay, go to the lion and informed him that there is another lion in the well, okay, who want to challenge you. So lion was very, what you can say, wanted to see that. So he go through the with the rabbit and look it into the well. Now as it look into the well, the light reflected and the image of lion has been formed. So the lion was ignorant enough, he was unable to figure out that whether this is my image or another lion. He thought this is another lion who is challenging me, who wants to challenge me. Okay, so he jumped to the well in pursuit of the lion, and eventually he died. So this is the basic what you can say, just the basic gist of this anecdote or the small story is that the image was the image of the lion was formed. There was no other lion in the well. Okay, so this is about the reflection of light. Okay, after you get the video, the link will be open of your class group to ask you doubts. Thank you.